weather report.
Currently it is sunny in Zandhoven with a temperature of 17 degrees Celsius. Today it will be mostly sunny with temperatures between 10 and 23 degrees Celsius.
Tell me a joke.
This feature is not supported.
Okay. Navigate to Hyundai Belux Conti.
2 results found. Please say the line number.
Exit.
Exiting voice recognition.
Mammy fuck.
I was gonna kill a couple rappers, but they didn't.